Welcome to the chapter Installation of VirtualBox and Linux. In this video, you are going to learn how to install VirtualBox, a virtualization software, and then how to install Linux into it. So let's go to Google and try to find VirtualBox. So just type VirtualBox, and here you can see the VirtualBox website. Under that, there is something called as download. Click it and you can see VirtualBox different versions. Now here under VirtualBox downloads, go to old build, that is VirtualBox 6.1 builds. The new builds are having some issues, so let's go to old build VirtualBox 6.1. Remember that. And now here, based on your operating system, so if you are on Windows, then choose this, or if you are in Mac, choose this. Okay, so right now I am using Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu 20.04, so I will choose this. Now once you click on it, you can see your VirtualBox has been getting started to download. Now you can see our VirtualBox binary has been downloaded. Click on it to install, and now I'm installing. So here you can see my VirtualBox has been already installed. Okay, so if you find difficulty, try to Google. You can definitely get how to install VirtualBox from many videos in the internet. Once our VirtualBox has been downloaded, our first job is to open the VirtualBox, and as I said, make sure your version is 6.1, because Virtual 7 has some new upgrades and might not be smooth. After this, we need the Ubuntu 20.04 ISO, Ubuntu 22.04 ISO, sir, download. Click on this and then click on this download Ubuntu link, and then click here. Here you will see our download has been started. Okay, you can see here. Here you can see in my file explorer, our ISO has been downloaded, Ubuntu 22.04. Now I will go to VirtualBox and begin creating virtual machine. To create virtual machine, click on the new. Here give the name like Ubuntu 22.04 and then click next. Give some memory like 4096 or some 3 GB. Okay, and now just choose it, the default. Now just click create and then VDI and next, and dynamically allocate it. Create this and then probably 40 GB. Okay, and now just click on the create. Now here it didn't ask anything about the ISO. Now here you can see there is something called as setting. Click on it, and then there is something called as storage. Inside this you can see controller IDE. Okay, and this is empty, and this is optical drive. Now here we need to select our ISO. Now click on this point. You can see there's a disk icon. Click on this one and then choose a disk file. Now here when you go here and then go to download, choose your ISO and then open it. Here you can see your ISO has been chosen, and click on the OK. Now just click on the start. Now you can see our VM has been started, and it is giving me our option to install Ubuntu. Choose the Ubuntu Safe Graphic option, and here you can see our Ubuntu 22.04 installation has been started. Now you can see here it says install Ubuntu. Okay, we will click on it. Then choose our keyboard layout, that is default English US, continue. And then here it says normal installation. Click on the minimal installation and just uncheck this one because we don't want to download updates right now. Then continue. Yeah, choose this one, erase disk. Okay, and then click on the install now. Now click continue. Okay, so this is safe because we have created our VM disk. So this is safe inside the VM. But if you are doing dual boot, then you might need to consider different option. Click on continue right now. If you choose something else, then you have to manually create the partitions. Now choose your Kathmandu and then continue. Okay, give the name like Dhanu Sir, and here my name, my Dhanu Sir comp. Okay, for computer username is Dhanu Sir, and then I will uh, log in automatically right now, or maybe choose this one option, and then I will give my password. Okay, and then continue. So once you do that, it will start copying the files. Okay, and now this will take some time, around 15 to 20 minutes to install this. However, in Windows it might take more time, so be patient. Now you can see our installation has been complete, and we are getting a dialog box saying restart now. Now we are going to restart this VM. So VM is short form for virtual machine. You can see our virtual machine or VM is getting started. Here it is saying to press enter to remove the installation medium. So I'm just pressing enter. Now you can see our, yeah, you can see our nice Ubuntu logo is, or starting screen is showing up, and our, yeah, user, okay, is coming. So I just type my password, and now I am logged into my welcome screen. And or these are few things like that we need to, or the Ubuntu gives us. So just skip next, and don't send system info, next, next. Okay, done. Okay, now we are completely done with our system. Let me check the display. Okay, so our display is 800 and 600. So let's increase to our 16 1920 by 1200 resolution. And okay, now you can see, so our resolution has been done. And I will close this, and I will now start my terminal. Okay, so there is something called as search bar. Okay, so I just click application search bar. Okay, this is the post installation to dos bar that we will do later, remind me later. Here I will type a window icon, and then you can see I got this nice search, and then I type terminal and click on it, and you can see our terminal is started, and we can run any command. Okay, Okay, you can see. Okay, so we can run any command uh, inside our terminal and start learning Linux. So you can see cat etc os release says our machine name, which is okay, ubuntu machine os type, which is ubuntu 22.04 Jammy jellyfish. So that's the name given to ubuntu version 22.04. In the next video, we are going to set up our own lab on the newly installed Ubuntu Linux. See you in the next video.